Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically always get like the latest features and latest updates on CapCut PC. So if you just go to menu and go to more and select the version, or if you're on the home page, select the settings button and the version will be there. Just select it and make sure you turn on try beta test version to enjoy the new features. Then select check for updates, and as you can see there is the newest version, which is the 2.9.0. It says beta test version 2, and this is really important because they'll give you out like the latest updates, and they'll give us like new effects and stuff, but you'll have to enable beta test version. So just press download now, and it's going to basically restart the app later, and then you'll have new features. That's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!